What if I told you the market has been quietly revealing hidden trading gems, and most traders don't even see them? Today, I'm going to show you something that can change the way you look at charts forever. No complicated indicators, no fancy systems, just one powerful concept that smart money uses every single day. Watch carefully because the real magic appears at the end. Look at this chart. Just look at how price respects one simple line. Bounce here, rejection there, breakout from the same level. And the crazy part? It works across different time frames again and again. Nothing random, everything connected. Now here's the question. Why does this line catch major moves? Why do big traders pay attention to it? And why do retail traders ignore it completely? You're about to see the truth. Watch what happens when price comes back to this level. Boom, instant reaction. Another chart, same thing. Support, rejection, pump, dump. Every move silently respecting this hidden roadmap. Most traders think it's luck. It's not. It's logic. Now this is the biggest example. Look closely. While everyone thought the market was random, it was reacting to the exact same hidden point, the same anchor, the same zone, the same footprint of big money. Do you see the pattern now? This is what separates noise from real structure. If you want a complete tutorial on this hidden trading gem, comment below, show me the gem. And if your mind is already blown, wait until I break this down step by step in the next video. Thanks for watching and get ready because this is just the beginning.